Stop what you are doing. Liverpool have just pulled off the biggest transfer of the 2025 summer window.
Alexander Isak to Liverpool. Here we go.
Alexander Isak, Newcastle Swedish superstar, is on his way to Anfield in a British record deal worth £125 million, potentially rising to £130 million with add-ons. This is bigger than Enzo Fernandez move to Chelsea, and it could change everything for Arne Slot's Liverpool. But what does this mean for Newcastle, for Liverpool tactics, and for the Premier League title race? Let's break it down. After weeks of speculation, bids, and frustration, Liverpool finally got their man. Their first £110 million bid was rejected back in August, but today they have reached an agreement that smashes the British transfer record. Isak is expected to undergo his medical later today before signing a 6-year contract. For Newcastle, this is a painful blow, especially after Isak revealed his trust in the club was broken, claiming promises about his future weren't kept. He refused to train with the squad, was left out of the preseason tour, and even prepared for the season alone. Now he gets the move he wanted. This signing makes Liverpool's 2025 summer one of the most outrageous we have ever seen from a Premier League champion. They have already spent £100 million plus add-ons on a Germany's golden boy Florian Wirtz, and now £125 million on Isak. Add in Hugo Ekitike, Milos Kerkez, Frimpong, Georgie, Pexi, and Giovanni, and they're spending rockets to over £416 million before add-ons. And they might not be done yet. The Reds are also pushing to bring in England defender Mark Guehi from Crystal Palace. Meanwhile, they have recouped about £190 million from selling Luis, Nunez, Kwanzaa, Kelleher, Trent, and some more players. This is net spend on another level, but the big question is, how does Isak fit into Arne Slot's Liverpool? Slot already has Hugo Ekitike, another striker, so what's the plan here? Option 1. Ekitike takes Luis Diaz's role on the left wing in Slot's 4-2-3-1. He has the pace, the dribbling, and the cutting inside style that Slots love from his wide players. Option 2. Go bold and recreate Ekiteke's Frankfurt partnership days. Slot could line up with Isak and Ekiteke together in a 4-2-2-2 or 4-2-4. This would be risky, leaving just two midfielders to cover transition, but it could unleash a devastating striker duo. Imagine Szoboszlai, Salah, Wirtz, Isak, Ekiteke all on pitch at once. That's chaos football. Most likely though, Ekiteke becomes Liverpool's ultimate rotation weapon, able to cover four positions across the front line. With Liverpool expected to play over 60 games next season, he will easily rack up over 30 starts, even he isn't the first choice. This isn't just a signing, it's a statement. Liverpool have gone from cautious spending under Klopp to blowing the market apart under Arne Slot. They have built a squad with depth, versatility, and superstars in every department. For Newcastle, it is brutal reality check. They have lost their talisman in a record deal just a week after signing Nick Waltermaid to replace him. But make no mistake, losing Isak leaves a huge hole in their attack. And for Premier League, Liverpool have just signed one of the best strikers in the world, a 25-year-old entering his prime who could lead their line for next 6 years. This might be the transfer that defines the 2025-26 season. So Alexander Isak to Liverpool, a British record fee, a striker who forced his way out of Newcastle, and a Liverpool side that suddenly looks more stacked than ever. Do you think Isak will fire Liverpool to another Premier League title, or could this massive gamble backfire? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breakdown of football's biggest transfer stories.